Hello friend, welcome to my video. In this video, you will learn how to set up remote access to your network using OpenVPN on pfSense. You need to update the correct time zone for pfSense. Since pfSense is open source and available for free, this project won't cost you anything to complete. OpenVPN uses certificates to secure the VPN service for authentication and encryption purposes. The first thing we need to do on pfSense is create a certificate authority. The next step in the process is to navigate to the built-in pfSense certificate manager. Fill in the information as above. Once done, click on Save and your internal certificate authority will be created. The next step is to create the certificate for the OpenVPN server which clients will use to verify the identity of the server when connecting to it. Fill in the information as above. The certificate infrastructure needed for OpenVPN is now complete, so we can move on to the next phase, creating the VPN user. Fill in the username and password. Ensure you click to create user certificate and then give the certificate a name and select your certificate authority. Once all is done, click on Save. Next, installing the OpenVPN client export package. Install the package using the pfSense package manager found under the System menu. Enter OpenVPN Export in the search term box of the package manager and click on Install. After the package has been installed, there will be a new tab called Client Export in the OpenVPN menu. Next, configuring OpenVPN on pfSense. We will be using the OpenVPN configuration wizard for this step. Next, you will need to complete the server setup form. Under Tunnel Settings, enter the IP address range in the tunnel network. This will be the IP address range OpenVPN will use to assign IPs to VPN clients. Next, enter the local network IP address range and then set your maximum number of concurrent connections. This is usually your LAN. Next, the wizard will want to create the firewall rule configuration. Select the firewall rule and the OpenVPN rule as per the example above and click Next. Finally, the configuration is complete. Click Finish. You have now completed the OpenVPN setup. To download the client configuration, navigate to Client Export under the OpenVPN menu item. If all is configured correctly, you should now be presented different download options which give you the OpenVPN config settings you need to configure your clients so that they are able to connect to your pfSense OpenVPN server. As always, if you found this post useful, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me 500,000 subscribers. At the end of the video, you have one more way to update the exact time for Psense.